I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, Jessica here, and I'm a beach girl living my best life in Balneário Camboriú. And I can't wait to take you around town with me and show you the beauty, culture, and lifestyle here. So, if that sounds like something you'd like to see, be sure to hit that like and comment button so I know you're excited. Let's go! Nothing says beach life like a stroll along and covered beaches in the beautiful Balneário Camboriú. The warm sunlight radiating over crystal clear, blue waters, and white sand beaches, all inviting you to trade in the suit and tie for some shorts and a hat for a day. Strolls along the beach are great, but nothing beats the feeling of jumping into the crystal clear, blue waters here. Spending my time in these waters refreshes and rejuvenates me, and I am reminded of why I chose this kind of life. Once I'm back on shore, I'm eager to grab a bite. The local seafood and traditional Brazilian cuisine features amazing dishes that leave me feeling full and satisfied. Wherever I go, I'm bound to get an interesting cultural experience. I enjoy exploring the local culture and having conversations with new friends. Here in Balneário Camboriú, I meet people every day who speak of their love for their home and their culture, and this enthusiasm have only enhanced my living and traveling experience. As the day comes to an end, I find myself content with the balance between beauty and culture I experienced. There is such an incredible sense of diversity in this city, and I'm so glad I get to call this beach gem my home. Thanks for joining me for my day in the life of a beach babe in Balneário Camboriú. I hope you enjoyed seeing this city through my eyes, and that now you have a better understanding of the beauty and diversity that makes Balneário Camboriú an incredible place to live.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.